Hello everyone, I am Anuj Nakade and you're watching Livelaw. The Supreme Court on the 1st of August has orally remarked that it will list the petition filed by Uddhav Thackeray Faction challenging the decision of the Election Commission of India to recognize the Eknath Shinde Faction of the Shiv Sena as the official Shiv Sena will be heard by the Constitution Bench of the Supreme Court after hearing the petitions challenging the dilution of Article 370 of the Constitution of India. This remark of the Supreme Court came when Advocate Amit Anand Tiwari mentioned the matter before a bench of Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice Manoj Misra. The court said, and I quote, "Wait for the Jammu and Kashmir Constitution Bench to get over and we'll give a date for this." The case relates to the events of June 2022 when the ruling Shiv Sena party led by Uddhav Thackeray fractured into two factions, one led by the then Chief Minister Mr. Thackeray and the other by Mr. Eknath Shinde, the present Chief Minister of Maharashtra. The Shinde faction then, with the BJP, set up a new government. Both factions claimed to represent the real Shiv Sena and passed resolutions about the affairs of the political party. However, in February of 2023, while the Supreme Court was still hearing the petition to restore the Thackeray government, the Election Commission of India recognized the Eknath group as the official Shiv Sena and allowed them to use the bow and arrow symbol and the Shiv Sena name. It is worth noting that the Shiv Sena was allocated the bow and arrow symbol as the permanent polling symbol in 1989, while it was a political party led by Balasaheb Thackeray. Uddhav Thackeray faction then moved the Supreme Court, challenging this direction of the Election Commission of India to allocate the bow and arrow symbol to the Eknath Shinde faction. The Supreme Court issued notice in the matter and permitted the Uddhav faction to retain the Shiv Sena Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray name and the flaming torch symbol during the pendency of the matter. The ECI then allowed an interim arrangement for the by-elections in Maharashtra Assembly scheduled to take place on February 26 of 2023. The lawyers of the Shinde group had also given a verbal undertaking to the Supreme Court that they will not take precipitative action against Uddhav group by issuing disqualification proceedings. The undertaking was not recorded in the order. On the 11th of May 2023, a constitution bench of the Supreme Court refused to restore the Uddhav Thackeray government as the then Chief Minister resigned without facing the floor test. The petition seeking restoration of the Thackeray government also sought for the Supreme Court to adjudicate the disqualification petitions against the rebelling MLAs led by Eknath Shinde at the time. The court, in its May 11th judgment, refused to use its powers under Article 32 and instead handed the pleas to the Speaker of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly to decide within a reasonable period. The court's order reads, and I quote, "There are no extraordinary circumstances in the instant case that warrant the exercise of jurisdiction by the court to adjudicate the disqualification petition." In the light of the same, a plea was filed by the Member of Parliament Sunil Prabhu of the Shiv Sena Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray party, seeking directions to the Speaker of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly to expeditiously decide on the disqualification. This plea was also mentioned for urgent listing. CJI Chandrachud has also agreed to list it. The matter is likely to be listed soon, and we intend to bring you the latest updates from this case. To know more, please consider visiting our website at www.livelaw.in or considering watching our previous videos that go into details about the 11th May judgment of the Constitution Bench. If you'd like to support the work we do here, please consider joining as a member through the button next to subscribe for just ₹89 per month or donating an amount of your choice through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.